All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol CFGX, currently traded at 0001. A few days over here of no bid taps. I just want to point that out. Actually, a few more than that way back here. That being said, let's take a look at the volume. 341 million shares traded, going between 0001 and 0002. It's better than staying at 0001. I mean, this one obviously getting a little bit of attention here. Figure we'll jump in and take a look at it. To kind of give you guys a little bit of insight. Obviously, with the stock has just been a downtrend since, I mean, this is 2014. For those that are interested in this, if you're following this thing, the one thing I would definitely want to see is the 0003s to start hitting for any confirmation of a movement. And what I mean by that, you might be saying, oh no shit, if it hits 0003, it's moving. Well, I call it the tap, and what I mean is by a tap is like this right here. You'll go up, you'll tap it. You'll come back down, you'll tap it. Just in one day. I mean, if you're watching the L2 right now or watching it and you see the 0003s hitting, and then back down to 0002, 0003, 0002, you're starting to get that flash that it might start moving. That's when my interest would, really spike and keep an eye on it from there. So right now, I mean, I would just hold on it until you see that happening.
All right, so I'm looking up this information on them. They had a press release on February 4th, 2016. So that's their last press release. It was Capital Financial Global cancels off take agreement with Noble Metal Kings, withdraws from all mining related business. So Capital Financial Global Incorporated announced on February 4th that it has canceled the off-take agreement to purchase gold-bearing ore concentrates from Noble King Metal Kings LLC, originally announced on July 30th, 2014. All right, so it states, we've waited long enough for this relationship with Noble Metal Kings to be productive, said Paul Edward Norat, CEO of Capital Financial Global Incorporated. We can't afford to further speculate on mining-related projects at the expense of our core finance business. It's time for us to get back to what we know best, and that's finance. Therefore, effective immediately, we are completely out of any mining-related business. I don't want anyone owning our stock with the idea that we are a mining company or that their investment will be tied to mining activity in any way. We are a financing company. A related action, CFCG was terminated its agreement with Quantum Refiners Incorporated, which is controlled by our Chief Executive Officer and principal stockholder Paul Norat, to process ore acquired from Noble Metal Kings Incorporated. The termination of these agreements with Noble Metals Kings and Quantum Refiners marks CFGX's official complete departure from purchasing and selling mineral materials. All right, so CFGX continues to hold approximately 5.1 million in face amount of notes receivable that Gold Rush Refiners had issued prior to January 2014, before it was acquired by Paul Norat and renamed Quantum Refiners. CFGX acquired these notes in March 2014, an arm's length transaction and consideration of the issuance of 1.7 million shares of preferred stocks. These notes were written down to 1.7 million based on concerns respecting the collectability of the notes in CFGX's September 30th, 2005 financial statements. CFGX now believes the notes are uncollectible and is attempting to resolve adverse impacts of the company by addressing the previous issuance of preferred stock. The company plans to release an updated plan of operations in the weeks to come. Disclosures can be found on the company's website and its online disclosure portal. All right, so they have it right there. It's www.capfiglobal.com. So CapFig Global or CapFiGlobal.com. And as always, I mean, these guys right here, let's see, for them, it's Pink Current, and it's obviously traded at the 0001 right now. But these guys, what they do for their business description states that Capital Financial Global is a specialty finance company that offers asset-backed financing and loan advisory services. Unlike traditional banking models, CFGX helps organizations obtain needed liquidity by using an asset-backed approach rather than a traditional credit approach to originating new loans, buying and selling existing loans, and converting distressed collateral into cash and tradable form. We are a preferred alternative to traditional banking financing. That's basically what they do. If you have an opinion on the company, feel free to go and share it on the CFGX message board over here on Investors Hangout with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, Joe, thank you very much for that. 3-8 again, 0001. Hold until you see the 0003 starting to hit. In my opinion, if you start seeing those 0003s hit, if you're watching this video right now and you start seeing that in like a week or a day or 3 months, whatever the case is, come back and let us know. We'll be sure to start taking a look at it again then. So again, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. We'd appreciate it. Stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. If you have a hot stock you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.